everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mariah and this is Rate My Shoe. For today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Air Max Dia. Now this is a women's only running shoe. My mum actually got me these for Christmas, so let's take a look. Here's the shoe. As I mentioned, it is women's only, it's a running shoe. It's got a super cushioned sole for comfort. Like, it's insane, you guys, how cushioned this sole is. I love the shoe, I love the colour, I think it's so pretty. It's like a lovely gorgeous baby pink. And the fabric that it's made of is kind of shiny, like it's got a silky texture almost. Obviously it's not silk, but it's kind of got that texture to it where it's like a little bit shiny. It's really cute. It's got a nice chunky sole, which if you know me, you know I'm a fan of a chunky sole. I like that it gives it a bit of character and a bit of texture to it. And then obviously because it's a running shoe, this is what the sole looks like. It's kind of ribbed for obviously for grip, and it's got that super chunky sole just for comfort for you when you're running. I'm very excited to wear these. I think they're going to be super comfortable. A feature that I really like about this shoe is the detailing on it. I love that it's got this little red accents on it. I think it adds just a little bit of character, a little bit of personality to it rather than it just being baby pink and black. I like that it's got the little red bit on it. And then the laces are obviously super elasticated so you can get it on really tightly because it is for running, so it needs to be practical. I'm going to give this shoe a 7.5 out of 10. I love that it combines practicality with fashion. I love the colours on it, I love the detailing, I love how comfortable it is, and I'm a massive fan of the detailing on the heel of the shoe. Let me know down below what you're going to give my shoe, and make sure you subscribe to see more Rate My Shoes.